Okay, so today we are going to be talking about how to graph on our graph pods. So first things first, we must go to a second. Well, we had our home button here. We were at home. We would go to second, list, or under stat, or actually stat, press edit. So number one, I've already inputted a bunch of numbers here, just a random number from an assignment, but this is just a number. And now we want to put that in like either a box and whisker plot or different other type of plot. So let's look to see what they will actually look like. So first we press second stat plot. Which is in the top left-hand corner, and then we'll click the very first one, right? We'll click the very first one. We come to this window, and you see here, this can kind of scroll up and down. We can make a histogram plot. We can make, this is our box plot that we want. We don't want the mod box plot. That's just a tiny box plot. Here's a norm probability plot, which is like the little this is the XY line plot. Here's our scatter plot. So, and we can change the color. So, and the different types of formats these are. So we can have this. Let's look here at what it would look like as our histogram plot here. So let's go. We're done. And then we press graph. So graph, here we go. And sometimes you kind of have to look for it, but there it is. This is our histogram plot. Now, let's say we want to see what our box plot would look like. Well, let's do that same thing. We'll go to second stat plot. Let's look on the second one. Let's say I want the box plot and the histogram plot. And this one, it stays red, so I'm just going to keep it as red. So maybe I want to see what it looks like if I compare the two, the histogram and the box plot together. So I'm going to press graph, and there we have it, the box plot and the histogram plot together, all in one. You can play around with this. It's pretty easy, pretty manageable. So if I want to say, let's try another one. Let's try the third one. Let's go crazy. Let's do a scatter plot, right? Our scatter plot, and I want this to be, let's say pink. Let's say our scatter plot to be pink. Done there. And then I'll go back to my graph and look at that. My pink scatter plots are up here. My histogram is down in green, and my box plot is in red. So this is a really wonderful tool. All you have to do is just punch in the numbers first, but it will draw up the picture for you. So for your assignments, if the assignment says, hey, please draw this up, you can pull this up. It's already drawn for you. Or if you want to, you can just take a screenshot of this, paste, put it onto your assignment, just to show that you know how to do this accordingly. So this is what you need to know for your assignments, and that is all.